Hello students. Today we are going to study Mathematics Part 1st of Standard 9, Chapter number 1, Sets. Earlier we studied Universal Set, Subset and also Practice Set 1.3. Today we are going to study Operations on Sets, also Practice Set 1.4. First we will see intersection of two sets. The set of all common elements of given two sets is called the intersection of given sets. Suppose A and B are two sets, then intersection of set A and B is denoted as A and B, as you can see on the screen. For example, if A equal to 1357 and B equal to 2368, then A intersection B is, in both the sets, 3 is common, hence A and B equal to 3. The Venn diagram can be drawn as you can see on the screen. Properties of intersection of sets. First, A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Second, if A is subset of B, then A intersection B equal to A. Third, if A intersection B equal to B, then B is subset of A. Fourth, A intersection B is subset of A and A intersection B is subset of B. Fifth, A intersection complement of A is phi, that is empty set. Sixth, A intersection A equal to A. And seventh, A intersection empty set equal to empty set. Now we will move on to disjoint sets. If there is not a single element is common in both the given sets, then these two sets are called as disjoint sets. For example, if A equal to 1359 and B equal to 248, then there is no common element between them, hence A and B are disjoint set. Venn diagram can be drawn as you can see on the screen. Now we will move on to union of two sets. The set of all elements of given two sets is called the union of two sets, and it is written as AUB as you can see on the screen. For example, if A equal to -1, -3, -5 and 0 and B equal to 0, 3, 5, then A intersection B equal to -3, -5, 0, -1, 3 and 5. The Venn diagram can be drawn as you can see on the screen. Properties of union of sets. First, A union B equal to B union A. Second, if A is subset of B, then A union B equal to B. Third, A is subset of A union B and B is subset of A union B. Fourth, A union complement of A equal to universal set. Fifth, A union A equal to A. Sixth, A union empty set equal to A. Now we will move on to number of elements in a set. Let A equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. There are 5 elements in given set, hence it is denoted as n in bracket A, that is number of A equal to 5, as you can see on the screen. Now we will see the formula for number of elements in union and intersection of sets, that is number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now we will move on to practice set 1.4. First example, if number of A equal to 15, number of A union B equal to 29. Number of A intersection B equal to 7. Then number of B equal to question mark. That is, we have to find the number of elements in set B. As we know the formula for number of elements in union and intersection of sets, that is, number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So after putting values, the answer will be 29 equal to 15 plus number of B minus 7. Now 29 equal to 15 minus 7 will be 8 plus number of B. Now shift 8 towards the left hand side. So answer will be number of B equal to 29 minus 8. So number of B will be 21. Question number 2. In a hostel, there are 125 students, out of which 80 drink tea, 60 drink coffee, and 20 drink both tea and coffee. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. Now, let U be the universal set of all the students in a hostel. Hence, number of universal set equal to 125. Now, A the set of students drinking tea. Hence, number of A equal to 80. B the set of students drinking coffee. So, number of B equal to 60. Now, A intersection B is the number of students who drink both tea and coffee. So, number of A intersection B equal to 20. Now, we will put the value in the formula. Number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So, after putting value, we will get number of A union B equal to 80 plus 60 minus 20 equal to 120. Hence, 120 students are there who drinks coffee or tea. Hence, the number of students who do not drink tea and coffee will be 125 minus 120 equal to 5. Question number 5. Observe the given Venn diagram and write the following sets. First, A. From Venn diagram we can write set A X, Y, Z, M, N. Second, B. Set B will be P, Q, R, M, N. Third, A union B. A union B will be set of all elements from A and B, that is X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R. Now M and N are common in both the sets, hence we have to write M and N only once. Now fourth, universal set. In universal set, all the elements we have to write, that is U equal to X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. Now fifth, complement of A. So we have to write the elements which are present in universal set but not in set A. So complement of A will be P, Q, R, S, T. Now sixth, complement of B. So the set element of set which are present in universal set but which are not in set B. So complement of B will be X, Y, Z, S, T. Now complement of A union B. So the elements which are present in universal set but elements which are not present in A union B. So complement of A union B will be S,